students, good morning. I hope you all would be good with your family. Today I am here in front of you with a new topic, advertisement. It is in 12th class syllabus. Let's start. What is an advertisement? Advertisement, as everybody knows, it is the medium of a publicity. What is an introduction may be for advertisement? An advertisement is a medium to give information or publicize goods or products. It is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspaper, magazines, television, radio and the cinemas, etc. We have seen so many advertisements every day in the newspaper, and these are the great resource for getting the informations. So now, how many types of advertisement? There are two types of advertisement. Number one, classified, and number two, display or commercial. Now we will know classified advertisements, display and commercial advertisements. What is classified advertisements? These advertisements are printed in the newspapers and magazines under various heads. They are categorized in separate columns. You have seen so many types of advertisements given in the classified column. So many types of vacancies, so many types of products, so many types of informations. Those are required for the public. Those are given in the classified column. And what about display advertisement or commercial advertisement? These advertisements are inserted by leading manufacturers, organizations, etc. for the publicity of their products, services and events. Here it means to say there are so many type of products, there are so many type of services and events. When those are wanted publicity, then those are given in the column of display and commercial. Actually, those are related to the manufacturers and organizations. Now we will know which type of advertisements come in the category of classified. First of all, situation vacant and wanted. You have seen so many types of advertisements are given in the newspaper regarding situation vacant or wanted. In the same way, to let. 3. Sale and purchase of property, vehicles, goods. Whatever thing we want to sell out, we have to draft an advertisement for the classified column. Education institutions promotion. If any type of education institutions wants promotion or he wants to publicity, so he gives advertisement in the newspaper, in the classified column. About missing persons, lost and found things, tour and travels. These type of advertisements come in the category of classified. Now we will know about commercial advertisement. Regarding commercial advertisements, only business proposals promote publicity comes in the category of this. Now we will know format of advertisement. Format of advertisement, first of all, we will make a box. This is compulsory. If you don't make a box, your number will be deducted. So first of all, we will make a box. After that, we will write the title of advertisement in the top. Whatever the question, according to that title will be given. Example, flat for sale, driver wanted, situation vacant, accommodation required or missing persons. Whatever the question, according to that title will be written. then body of the advertisement, and if there is any type of requirement, always start an advertisement with wanted or required. After that, in the end, it is compulsory that we should end advertisement with a contact number or an email ID. Now we will do a question related to the classified column. Advertisement. Here is a question, already it is solved. We will know how it is solved. The question is, you are Mohini, General Manager of PK Industries, Hyderabad. You need an accountant for your company. Draft in not more than 50 words an advertisement to be published in the Hindu classified column. Here, mean to say, a general manager of PK Industries, he is in need of an accountant. So, he has to draft an advertisement for the appointment of him. This advertisement should not be more than 50 words. We should follow word limit as it is compulsory. If we will not follow this, marks will be deducted. So according to the format, first of all, we will make a box. There are so many students who leave the box at the end. They think that they will make the box when they complete the question. But in the end, most of the students forget to make the box. This is very compulsory. We should make box before starting our answer. So first of all, we will make a box, and after that we will think about the title, as title should be according to the question. There are so many examples given in the format according to the situation vacant, according to the situation wanted, according to the accommodation, missing person. So here a person, he is in need of this. So title should be situation vacant. This is the title, situation vacant. Now who is in need? We will write the name of that particular institution or that particular person. PK Industries, Hyderabad, wanted an accountant. Now there should be the qualification for any type of job. That's why we will write qualification. Qualification for accountancy means degree in accountancy. After that, experience should be must. Experience 3 years. Competence. Competence here mean to say how many skills that person is having in himself. He should know knowledge of computer, finance, related professional activities. Salary negotiable. Apply to Mohini General Manager. Contact like this. We always end advertisement with a contact number or with an email ID. This is must. This is the another example related to the display advertisement. As it is told to you, these type of advertisements are given by manufacturers and organizers. So this question is, draft a display advertisement to promote the sale of Bharat Steel Tubes and Pipes. Here Bharat Steel Tubes and Pipes, this is the name of a company. He wants attraction of the public. That's why he wants to give an advertisement related to its product. Now how he will draft an advertisement? In the same format, first of all, a box will be made, and at the top where we always write title, we will write the name of institution, we will write the name of company who wants to give advertisement. In the same way, Bharat Steel Tubes and Pipes. After that, most reliable things, most attractive things, and quality of the product we will write in sequence. Then first of all, the most reliable name in SS tubes and pipes in India. Here I mean to say this is the very old company and it is very trustable company. That's why he wants to get attraction of the public by saying like this. Number one, what is ISI marks? Competitive rates means its rates are very reasonable, rust free, this is the quality of its product, all weather fit, and whatever it is made, tubes and pipes, they are fit for all weather. And approved by national and international agencies. And this is the approval which is given by national and international agencies. Now he wants to make aware by fake people who always try to make local material with the help of local things. That's why caution. Be aware of spurious material means be aware of the fake people. For trade inquiries, contact Bharat Tube Limited, Gurgaon, Haryana. Here, if any person who wants to get more inquiries related to the product, he could make contact with Bharat Tubes Limited, Gurgaon, Haryana. This is the thing we have to focus in display advertisements. In display advertisements, we always give good qualities of the institutions, good qualities of a company. It is very, very must. Thank you. Have a nice day.